to see you, baby. Hello?
Good morning, is this Mr. Lemeli?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, this is from Show. They asked me to call.
You're breaking up, Moto.
We just had an appointment.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. Hello, I'm losing you, Papu.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Useless.
Useless.
We come a long way with smart technology, especially with irrigation controllers. If you're watching this video, chances are you have a digital timer or maybe even a smart controller. This timer here is a fine example of an on-site weather-based irrigation controller. On-site referring to the weather station being at the property or location. This smart controller is what the county assigns HOA and large properties that sign up for the Irrigation Rebate Program. But this new model has an additional efficiency feature that we want to interrogate further. I meant explore. We're out here at UF Trek to discuss M.A.D. I'm not talking M.A.D like when your Wi-Fi goes out or you forget your phone. I'm talking about
Management Allowable Depletion. Management Allowable Depletion is a term we use in irrigation to help describe how we want to irrigate. Usually when we describe the water in the soil profile, we talk about field capacity, which is when there's as much water as can be held in that profile, and wilting point, where we're reaching a point the plants are stressed. M.A.D is somewhere in between those points, so that we never reach that really stressed point, because we management to somewhere between the wilting point and the field capacity.
and that's all it's going to run.
There are recommendations for setting the M.A.D based on soil type and the ability of the soil to hold water, with soils that hold water well having a lower M.A.D and soils that don't hold as much water having a higher M.A.D.
I love these things. So how does that translate into hardware? Well, once I program all my zone information, the M.A.D option appears. So now what? What up, Trey?
Management Allowed Depletion, or M.A.D, looks at the type of soil and the root depth of plant material. It then makes calculations and adjustments from a wilt point to a complete saturation point in the soil profile. So in the case of southern Florida, in certain times of the season, wet season, you may want to be able to capture as much rainfall into the soil profile. In that case, you would reduce the amount of water that's being replenished by the irrigation cycle and lower the M.A.D level.
Are you ready to put a smart timer to work for you at your property? Sign up for the Irrigation Rebate Program and you're halfway there.
Funding for the urban conservation is provided by Miami-Dade Water and Sewer Department.